You guys may not recognize this Miata anymore. I'll throw up a clip of what it used to look like. Here it is now. So we have full cage, fire suppression, digital dash, radios, fun button. So see, there's the radio, so you guys can talk to pits. Fire, battery. The hydro e-brake is right there still. Passenger seat removed. And then the seat was also lowered about 2 inches down. So between 4 different drivers, they have to modify the seat. So this is why this is here. So smaller people versus bigger people. Windows are removed. Yeah, we're taking this up to Sonoma, so we're gonna do a POV drive, and yeah, should be fun. Hear me, but huge mistake wearing a sweatshirt in this car, because it's gutted, so every heat, all the heat in here just is making me so hot. And then the windows don't go down, so I have this window open, the window's completely taken out, that one's up, but I am just, it's super hot in here. This transmission case area, super hot. My legs are super hot. But we got a hour and 15-minute drive, so I got my Gatorade, and it's just straight race car. Straight, there's nothing about it. This is a race car as much as you can be. And surprisingly, Peter got tags for 1 more year, so it is a street car. Completely street legal, but there's nothing street about it. It's all race car. This thing's awesome. Honestly, it's fucking awesome.